So DIY paper mache paste is really easy. You need some plain flour, so normal bread, baking flour, 1 cup of flour, let's see if I can do it one-handed, 2 cups of water. Oh, that was just right. Then you carefully give it a stir, like I said. Oh, my hand's gone in the way. Carefully give it a stir, trying to get out of all the lumps. To be honest, you can actually use it as paper mache now already, but if you microwave it, which is what we're going to do in a minute, it becomes a nice thick paste that you can use for doing your own paper mache. Okay, so microwaves do vary. Pop it in. I'm going to do it for about 30 seconds, then give it a stir, and then take another look. Okay, let's have a look. It won't be thick enough yet, but it is good to give it a little stir as you go along, just to get out all the lumps. Let's have a look. Oh yes, you can see it thickening up already. Can you see the lumpy bits there? I think that might be enough. I might just give it a good stir, and then we'll check the paste and start our project. So if you take a look, you have a nice smooth paste. It's a bit like a soup. It's quite hot at the moment, so do let it cool down, and you can see there's still a few lumps in it, which I'm just going to squish out against the side. It just makes your paper macheing later a bit easier. And I have to say, it smells really nice. I love the smell of this sort of hot flour mixture. Like I've mentioned before, you don't have to cook it, but I do think it makes a much stronger and stickier paste to use, and you can make this ahead of time, put it in the fridge, and then use the next day. I would say this keeps about 3-4 days in the fridge, but not much longer. You do need to use it up. Anyway, we're now ready for some paper strips, newspaper strips, a balloon, whatever your project, your paper mache project is going to be, and you can use your homemade eco-friendly paper mache paste. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is part of our crafts basic lists, giving you a toolkit to get crafty and do lots more wonderful projects. Anyway, take care and see you again soon. Bye.